gotta get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning from an at-home day. Today we're doing a chores day, what it looks like on the days that I try to get as much done out of the house as I possibly can. So the first thing I did was I took Matt to work this morning because we still only have one vehicle for our whole family. Now my goal is, as a precursor to our upcoming vacation, I wanted to do a trial run with my kids and also kind of teach them how to use a laundromat. So today our main goal is to take all of the kids to the laundromat, teach each of them how to use the washers, how to load them, how to dry them, and do everybody's bedding in 1 hour. And thankfully that's all it took for us for this trip, was 1 hour to do all the bedding for every single person.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
from there, it's just a normal shopping day for us. We head out to Sam's Club, we head to Kroger, we also picked pizza up because, like we shared in our tips for saving money for vacation, I was able to score some gift cards for 4 times fuel points at Kroger, and those fuel points we saved for our upcoming road trip, and we were able to go and take those and buy pizza. So that is it for our chore day for today. Like I said, I just wanted to take you guys along and show you what it was like to do all of the chores in one single day. Even with teens now, and I can leave them at home for brief periods of time, I still prefer to just do all of the chores in one day and then have those 3 days a week to focus on the school work, whether it be spring, summer, or fall semesters. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.